swear if I leave work one more time with a flat tire, I'm gonna explode and I'm gonna shit myself. I think somebody is flattening my tire at work, popping it. I think somebody is popping my tire at work. I don't know why. And I'm done. I don't want to do this right now. Alright, I cooled down, but I'm still very angry and don't feel like making any videos. So I'm gonna look for a new spare tube, which I don't think I have one, and cook supper and relax. So I have to walk tomorrow and the next day because I don't have a tube. There's an ant in my kitchen. This is great. I'm not horribly mad, but today was frustrating. Everything's fucking frustrating. Yeah, I wish I had more. Oh yeah, now look, there's no other tube.